Tutorials for iSolarDesign 3.1. Preparation. You have logged in to iSolarDesign. Your computer can access the network. Quick Design. Click Create Project and choose Quick Design. Enter the project name, area, and project address and select the project scenario and grid type. Consumption and customer information are optional. Set the type, manufacturer, and model of the PV module. Enter the number of modules expected to be installed in module quantity and set the mounting type. If there are different PV arrays in the plant, click Add PV Array to create more arrays. If there are optimizers, rapid shutdown equipment, RSD, or batteries at the site, enable Configure Optimizer, Configure RSD, or configure battery accordingly. When selecting Auto Design, the system will recommend suitable inverters and assign PV modules to each string automatically based on the provided information such as country or region, grid type, module configuration, and electrical configuration. When selecting Manual Design, you will need to add devices and specify the number of modules for each input manually. Click Save and Generate Report to view the Quick Design report. Standard Design. Click Create Project and choose Standard Design. Click Next to read the Novice Guide and learn how to use these functions. Enter the project name and address and select the project type and grid connection type. The ambient temperature will be auto-filled based on the project location, but you can adjust it as needed. Irradiation data, wind speed data, and temperature data are available for viewing on this page. You can check and set the surface reflectivity as needed. Set the grid type. The customer information section is optional. Then, click Next. Go to Plant Modeling. Here you can draw the outline of the roof and place obstacles on the canvas. Use the Drawing tool to outline the roof. Two options are available. Polyline drawing allows you to create a complex shape that matches that of the actual roof. After finishing drawing, you can switch to 3D to view the roof in 3 dimensions. Rectangle corner to corner allows you to create a rectangle on the canvas. You can adjust the shape and size of the rectangle by dragging its sides or corners. Use the Obstacle tool to put obstacles on the canvas. The placement of modules will bypass these obstacles. Click the Scale tool icon and select a line segment to change its length. The other line segments and obstacles will then adjust accordingly. Click the Background tool icon to remove the background, thereby reducing interference during the design process. Click 3D to switch to 3D view. Click on the obstacle, then drag up and down or enter a height value in the upper right corner to adjust its height. Select a line and drag it up or down to change its height. You can also select an endpoint and drag it or enter a height value in the upper right corner to change its height. After finishing drawing, click Next. Go to View Module Layout. Select the manufacturer, model, and color of the PV module and configure the loss analysis settings based on actual needs. Determine the way in which the PV array is set up in mounting type, properly based on project's needs, and complete the parameter settings accordingly. If necessary, set the tilt angle and spacing for modules. Click the roof and choose Arrange Manually or Arrange Automatically to place PV modules on the roof. You can rearrange the modules manually as needed after an automatic arrangement. Once you've completed the configuration, click Next. Go to Electrical Design. If there are optimizers, RSDs, or batteries at the site, enable Configure Optimizer, Configure RSD, or Configure Battery accordingly. You can add inverters in 2 ways. Option 1. Choose Manual Design. Select an inverter model, enter the number of inverters, set DC, AC ratio for a single inverter, and click Confirm. Click the Add button on the right side of MPPT to add a PV string. Click on the string name. Go to the canvas and select several modules, or click and drag over the modules to connect them. Then, right-click or press Escape key on the keyboard to complete connection. After this, add the other strings in the same way. Manual Design allows you to connect modules flexibly and easily. Option 2. Choose Auto Design. The system will recommend suitable inverters and assign PV modules to each string automatically based on the provided information such as country or region, grid type, module configuration, and electrical configuration. In this mode, module connection is completed via one click. Taking the commercial and industrial project as an example, click the Add button in the toolbar and then drag the inverter, power distribution box, and meter onto the canvas to view the cable length and loss. For the residential project, drag the inverter, power distribution box, and meter onto the canvas to configure cable settings. Select a cable to check its power loss and other information. Click Loss Calculation on the left to check the cable loss. You can change the material and size of DC or AC cables in the Configuration section. After finishing the electrical design, click Next. Go to Electricity Consumption Evaluation. Enter the annual consumption. The system will calculate the average monthly consumption automatically. You can then adjust the monthly consumption and set daily consumption as needed. The system can forecast future electricity use and predict electricity bills based on history consumption patterns. After finishing the settings, click Next. Go to Economic Analysis and set the initial installation cost. Instructions here are provided with total device cost as an example. Complete tariff settings according to the actual conditions at the plant's location. Click the Edit button in the Action column. Provide the unit price of the device. The system will then calculate the total device cost. Complete the O and M cost settings according to the actual conditions at the plant's location. If any subsidies are granted by the government to the project, click Add Government Subsidies to add the relevant information. After finishing the settings, click Next. On the Generate Report page, you can view the project information in details. Click Save and Download to complete project creation and download the project report. Project List. The projects you have created are all listed on the project page. You can search for a project using the search box at the top. Find a project that is completed and click the Download button in the Action column to download the project report. Click the Copy button to copy the project. Click the Delete button to delete the project. Click the Add button to create this plant on iSolar Cloud. Feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, click Feedback to share your input. Click Make Suggestions. Select the type of suggestion and the relevant function. Provide the details and upload an attachment as needed. Then, click Submit.